Assalamu alaikum, everybody, and welcome to the Nourishing Traditions. So, today I will be talking about structured water. Structured water is also known as coherent, magnetized, and hexagonal water. So, you are 70% water in body mass, but 99% on a molecular level, you're basically very clever. That is why the quality, the composition, and the shape of the water you drink tremendously influences your life. The health of your body and mind depends on it. Now, in school, we have studied that there are three phases of water, but actually, there is another one which I will be talking about. So, number one is liquid, then we have gas, solid, and gel. So, there are 99% um, water molecules in gel, which determines the quality of our life, the interstitial fluid in our body, the cells are bathed in gel, mitochondria, the cellular level channels, how they work, negative and positive ions, they all work with these magnetized water molecules. Now, what unstructured and structured water? If you see the unstructured water is highly haphazard, it has a lot of pollutants, chlorine, fluoride, and other debris, industrial waste, which is open to move around anywhere with the water molecules. But the structured water, it sets itself in such a pattern that it allows the extra free radicals, pollutants, and toxins to move out, and it releases that extra oxygen from the water as well. So, this kind of water is really in nature. It can be in glaciers, springs, and untouched resources. Others believe that you can turn regular water into structured water by magnetizing it through a process called vortexing, or you can simply expose it to the ultraviolet radiation, such as sunlight and infrared radiations, and or we can just store it in a gemstone water bottle. Now avoid plastics here, please. And water can also be structured by putting fruits, leaves, and veggie slices in it, because in vegetables and fruits there are nutrients and water bases which are already structured by nature. So by reciting Quran on Ruqya on water, it also gives a structure to the water. Following the Sunnah ways, saying a prayer, Bismillah, sitting relaxed, and drinking water with your right hand. The structure in water keeps it away from any toxic memory like fluoride, chloride, drugs, and clears other emotional memories as well, because water is a living thing and can store in memories. So structured water is charged with life force energy that comes from imitating the cycle of nature. It's water in neutral state, which allows the intelligence of our bodies to assimilate and eliminate toxins naturally through our excretory systems. Dolf was a European director for the largest Dutch telecom company, and he founded the first fiber optics company in Europe. So he combined together his AI intelligence with the pursuit of natural medicine study, Chinese medicine, acupuncture. He delved into the impact of electromagnetic frequencies on biological systems, and this led to further research on photonics, physiology, light, and water. So Dolph and Dr. Eric studied the brain waves of two twin sisters. In the experiment, one twin consumed regular water and the other consumed coherent water. The experiment showed a change in delta and theta brain waves in the twin that consumed coherent water after a single day. Delta waves are associated with deep levels of relaxation, restorative sleep, and D for delta and D for deep. And theta waves are commonly found when you daydream or you're exhibiting more relaxed and open mind state. It maximizes creativity, deep emotional connection with oneself, and greater intuition. Analemma is an architect of water in our body. It is structuring molecules in the water we drink so it creates coherence inside our body and mind. So I'm using a quartz glass tube analemma water wand, which I bought from Dolf and his team. I will be listing down the link below if you want to buy it. So we twirl the water wand in a way that water forms a vortex, and all the particles they come together in contact with the hydrophilic quartz glass, which creates coherence in water, releases toxins. It does not allow any permeation for bacteria and other debris to grow in them. Down below, I'm going to link the description if you want to read more on structured water. So thank you for watching my video, and like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next videos. Ma salama.